Good morning, children. Welcome to social class. So, in social, we are learning the 14th block, which is types of food. Isn't it, children? So, in this, we have learned the history of cultivation. That is, how early humans started agriculture, cultivation. Yes. And also, we have learned what are the steps we need to follow for rice cultivation. Yes. Along with rice, we also eat some of the other food like food grains, pulses, isn't it, children? That we have learned in the third topic. And in the fourth topic, we are going to learn about sugar and come some common spices. Okay, sugar and some common spices. So, if you see in our country, children, there are a variety of different spices which we add in our food for the taste. Okay, so these are the different spices we use. Okay, so in these spices, how do we use? Some we use it directly, and some will make it powder, will grind it and make it powder, and some we will make the paste of it. Okay, children, for ginger garlic paste, they'll prepare the paste from ginger and garlic, so that becomes the paste. Okay, and you have cinnamon powder and all. Okay, and some you will use directly, like black pepper is also made into powder, and sometimes it is used directly also. Bay leaf, can you see bay leaf? Generally we'll call it as biryani leaf. Generally we use it in biryani. Yes, so these are the mustard seeds. All these we use it to prepare the food, especially the curries. Okay, and where you can find in everyone's house, you can find the spices, children. So if you go to the kitchen and ask mama to show the masala box, they say masala box or masala dabba. Okay, so if you open the lid of that box, you can see all these spices: cinnamon, cloves, ginger, saffron, bay leaf, pepper, black pepper, all these basil, all these you can find in that box. And turmeric is one of the most important spices which we use. Okay, turmeric, chilies. Okay, all these give a very good taste to the food. While we add these things to the food, you can have a delicious state. It adds the delicious taste to the food. Okay, children, and sometimes these spices are used as remedies are the things that use to cure something. Okay, to cure a disease or to cure an injury, something like that. So for example, if you see the haldi, the turmeric, haldi is used as a remedy for common cold. That means they mix it with the in the milk and they drink it. So it helps us to cure cold, cough, and also toothache. If we have any problem in our teeth, that also will be cured with this turmeric. We'll generally mix it with the milk, and we will drink it. Okay, children, so that is about spices. Okay, children, and coming to sugar, you all know sugar, isn't it, children? Sugar adds what flavor, sweetness to the food, isn't it, children? And we have many dessert, we have many sweet dishes, isn't it? Laddu, halwa, kheer, payasam, all these are made with the help of sugar, because it adds sweetness to the food. And from where do we get this sugar? From the sugar cane. Okay, in milk also we'll mix the sugar for the sweetness, isn't it, children? And for adults, in tea, coffee also. Yes, so all this we use sugar, and we get sugar from the sugar cane. Okay, you can see sugar cane in summer mostly. You'll drink it as sugar cane juice, isn't it, children? Yes, so from that sugar cane only we'll get sugar. The farmers grow this sugar cane in the fields, like farmers grow rice in the fields. In the same way, sugarcane on also grown in the fields, and this sugarcane needs a lots of water to grow. Okay, and after growing this sugar cane, after harvesting, they'll take it to the mills in which the sugar is made from the sugar cane. Okay, children. So this is our topic for today, children. I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork. And question answers, I'll send it tomorrow. Please write it in your classwork and learn it tomorrow. Okay. And today's homework is complete the volume book, children. Volume book 2, page number 33, S4, sugar and spices. Okay, so with this we have completed with our block, children. In the next class I'll meet you with the new block, children. See you in the next class. Bye.